Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to unmute a phrase on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If you muted certain phrases in the past and want to start seeing posts that include them again, this quick guide will walk you through the updated steps. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed into your account so that you can access your settings. Once the homepage loads, look over to the left-hand side and click on the More icon. It looks like three little dots in a circle. From the menu that appears, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage all your account preferences. Next, click on Privacy and Safety from the list on the left. This section controls what you see and how others interact with you on X. Now scroll down and select Mute and Block. Here's where you will find all your muted accounts, muted notifications, and of course your muted words and phrases. Go ahead and click on muted words to see the full list of everything you've muted. Once the list appears, take a moment to look for the phrase you want to unmute. You'll see each phrase displayed with some small icons beside it. Find the one you want to bring back to your feed, then simply click on the unmute icon next to it. After you click, the phrase will immediately be removed from your muted list. That means posts containing this phrase will once again appear on your timeline, notifications, and search results depending on your privacy settings. And that's it. You've just unmuted a phrase on X using the new updated web interface. It's a small change, but helps you take back full control of what you see and what you don't. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and check out more step-by-step tutorials on managing your X account and other social platform settings.